Hi guys, welcome back to another episode of this IoT series. And in previous videos we have used the Blink application to control the things over the internet. But what if we can create our own application? It would be better, right? So in this video we are going to learn how can we create our own application, and for that we are going to use MIT App Inventor. And this is a good platform to learn application making. We don't need to do any kind of programming. This is more like a plug and play method where we have to just connect the blocks and your application will be ready in just like minutes. So it's super easy to make. So in this video we are going to make a basic application. So it is like a talk to me application where whatever we will write on the screen, it will be converted into speech. That means basically the application will convert the text to speech. Easy. So let's DIY this. So now we are going to create that application. For that we need to open the Google Chrome, and this is the website called MIT App Inventor, and you can check out this website, link in the description below. And here we can create the applications very easily. So now click on this create apps, and as you can see there are already many apps that I have made. So it will automatically open up the first application that I was tried making, but we have to create another one. So start new project, and project name speech converter. Okay, speech converter okay. So a new window will appear on your screen like this. Okay, and this is the mobile phone. Actually we are creating mobile phone applications. We can also change that to tablet size or monitor size also, but we are creating a mobile phone application. Okay, so this is the screen, and we are going to make an application which work is to convert the text what will be written on the text box. It will be converted into speech. Like I am going to write cat on that text box, we can hear that cat. Okay, so about the screen, let it be align center alignment, vertical alignment be center, and app name speech converter. Okay, let it be background color, let's change it to black, and we can also add some image to the background. So you can also add some image here. And screen animation, like whenever you will open the application, how it will open, like it will fade, it will zoom, or it will slide. So let's have this fade one. And icon, right now we don't have any icon. Okay, so open screen animation, also fade. And okay, screen orientation, let it be as per the sensor, so that if you will rotate the phone, with that the screen will also rotate. Okay, and theme, let it be device default. Okay, so title, here we need to change it to speech converter. Okay, and with that our screen 1 is done, right? And now we need to add some things, like we are going to create one application which will convert the text into speech. For that what we need, first of all, the text box place where we need to write our text, and we need a button to, it's like a submit button, right? So first of all we need to add a text box. So in this left side you can see this is a text box, and we can add it here like this. Okay, and as we have changed the screen to center alignment, that's why it's in the center of the screen. Then we need to add a button. Okay, so button is below that one. So now click here, go to text box 1, and we need to change the name. So background color, let it be default. Font size, we can bold, we can make it italic, or we can change the font size. Okay, font, okay, we can change the font type also, like we can add it serif, or let it be monospace. And height width of the text box we can also change it, but let it be the default one. I will suggest you that you can try these things later. Okay, so here we have to write a hint, like write your text here. Okay, now okay, so this is done. Now text box 1 is completed, right? Now go to button, click on this button, and again background color, let it be red, no, let it be green. Yeah, so font bold, also font type monospace, no, let it be default. Then we can also add image also. We can change the button shape as well, right? Let's have a rounded button, and we can change this text. Okay, and we will write here convert. Okay, now this is looking good. You can see here, and text color black, visible. Okay, so with this our first page is completed. Okay, so we have completed how the screen will look like on our smartphone. So now we need to do the background work, that how these all things will work. So for that we have to do things in this block. So now let's do it. Okay, wait, we forgot one more thing, that text to speech converter that is in the media, and you can see this is the text to speech converter. So what we have to do is select this one and we have to add it to screen 1. So long press it and put it in the screen 1. Okay, so this is done. Now we can go to the blocks. Well, this side is done. This is the front side. Now we need to do some background work. For that we need to go to this blocks, and we have to add some blocks here, right? So first of all, go to this button one and choose this first one. Okay, so this means when button one click, do something will be done. So go to text to speech and select this one and add it here. Okay, like this. So when button one click, do call text to speech one and speak the message. Now what is that message? The message is the one which we have written on our text box. So now go to text box and click on text box 1 and click on this one. I think this one. Okay, this one. So now I have to add it here. Okay, so this means when button 1 will be clicked, then it will call text to speech. That means it will convert text to speech. And what is the message? The message is that one which is written in the text box 1. So this is a very easy one. Now let me add something to make it a little bit funny. Okay, so let's go to designer block, and here there is another sensor we can add. Here you can see sensors. So click on here, and I'm going to add here this accelerometer. So this is added. Now go to blocks again and choose this one. Okay, so choose this one. When accelerometer sensor shaking, do something. So add this one. Then again text to speech converter, go to this one and select this and add it here. Okay, now we have to write a message here. So go to the text and click on this one and connect it here. So we can write our message here. So I'm going to write stop shaking me. Okay, so phone will talk with us. And with this our design is ready and our application is also ready, and we can check it our application with by connecting it with our smartphone. So that click on this connect, and you can choose this AI companion. For that you have to download an application called MIT AI2 companion, that is available on Play Store, and you have to open your application and scan this QR code. With that you can access your application from your smartphone. For that, this is only for checking purpose, and after that we have to download it. So go to build option and okay, save APK to my computer. So with that, this is saved. Now let me open up this application in my smartphone. So let's check it out. So this is the application right here. This is the application, and okay, so first thing was that acceleration sensor, right? So this is one.
Stop shaking me. Stop shaking me. Stop shaking. Stop shaking me.
So here you can see, as we did in the settings, so as I am rotating the phone, you can see the application screen is also rotating. So now let's write something in this text box so that we can convert it. So what should we write now? Subscribe, like and share. Okay, now click on convert.
Subscribe, like, share.
See, this is how it's changing the text into speech. So you can check out this application, and there is a link in the description. You can download this application from that link, and also you can learn how to make this one. All the instructions are right there, so just check out the description. So that's how we created the application, right? It was a very basic application, and in the next video we will create some more applications that will be useful in our IoT projects. And if you liked it, then don't forget to click on that like button. share it with your friends, and yes, let me know your thoughts, your suggestions in the comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon and get the notification. That's a good deal. See you in the next one. Till then, be cool, work smart.